Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 3, 2022. Two-star Sudoku. Second row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 4. Column E, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, column J, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column H, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First grade, we have 9. So 9 also can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 9, 2 and 5. Then 3 numbers can't come in the two cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7. Column H also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 3 also here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column D, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. column C, column D, 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. So one can't come these cells. The one is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. Third row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will be another 2 cells. 9th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then the column H, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. 9th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.